Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back. You guys, can you see this at hand? We have an unboxing. I told you guys that we were gonna have an unboxing. Ta-da! If you follow me on Instagram, you guys, that's where it all goes down. I told you over here we sip the tea, but on Instagram is where the tea is spilled. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and take 2.5 seconds and follow me on Instagram so that we are always staying connected. You guys, today we have the new launch from the House of Sillage, which is their private beach club collection, and I want to tell you all about it. So get comfortable. I wrote myself some notes so that I don't miss anything. I don't want to leave anything out. So let's get into this unboxing. Thank you to the House of Sillage for sending this over. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you're not signed up to the newsletter from the House of Sillage and you really love their fragrances and their collection and their beauty and their bow lipsticks, it'd be a great time to take 2.5 seconds, sign up for the newsletter so that you know when things are dropping, you know when things are coming out, you know when sales are happening. I actually signed up for their emails, and yes, they are still having the 25% off sale. So if you have not had a chance to take advantage of that, this is a perfect time to do it. Let's get into this. Like I said, if you follow me, you guys, we're gonna open this, okay? Now let me tell you the truth. Let me be honest with you. I have already opened this. I have already used the products and everything because I like to come and give you an honest, in-depth, 100% opinion on my thoughts and reviews on the products, okay? So I've already used them, already played with everything, so I can give you a full, in-depth, detailed review. All right, let's go into this. Oh, the packaging is always so beautiful. It never ever disappoints, right? Now you guys, I try to put it back nice and neat how they had it, okay? I'm gonna slide a picture in here so that you can see how it was when it arrived, because my packing skills are not like the House of Sillage. I'm just saying. So you will open, and like I said, you're gonna get your box and it'll look like this. If you happen to get this, you will inside. Sorry about the noise. I get so excited. I'm so sorry. I get so excited. Anyways, beautiful things, luxury, fragrances, handbags, shoes, makeup, jewelry, okay, you name it. All things fabulous makes her very excited. And this makes me very excited. So you do get a little swag. Here is the House of Sillage. You guys, I can't be messing up my hair, okay? But you see that? It is cute, right? You do get a hat. Let me show it. Oh, gosh, fix your hair, girl. Anyhow, so this is how your hat's gonna look if you so happen to get the hat. Comes with the hat. You can get this whole entire kit, or you can purchase everything individual. It's totally up to you. And of course, they sent over a beautiful card, as they always do. Even when you're ordering your fragrances, when I order my fragrance for them, I still got a nice card from the House of Sillage. I really do think that's a really nice touch, that they always give you a nice card whenever they send over your package or your fragrance, your beauty, what have you. So in this collection, you guys, you're going to receive if you choose to get everything, you're going to receive private shower gel that you'll get. You'll also get the private body lotion that comes with it as well. And then it does come with a nice body oil. You'll also get the hydrating facial mist spray. I actually wanted to take some time and actually use the product, so once I received it, I did start playing with it. I showered with it. I used the body lotion, I used the hydrating facial mist, and I used the body oil. I even gave a little bit of a demonstration on my Instagram. Again, if you're not following me over on Instagram, be sure to connect with me over there. Let's start with the body gel. I showered with it. It lathered very well. It left my skin rejuvenated, fresh, and clean. It smells amazing. You can definitely smell the sunflower in here. It smells very refreshing. It smells very clean. If you've ever gone to a spa or like a luxury day spa, like at a hotel, you know, sometimes you go to a really nice day spa, it gives off that kind of vibe. It gives off that kind of feeling. It makes you, you know, feel like you're on vacation. Very tropical. And like I said, upon my first initial whiff of it, it just made me feel like a tropical vacation. But it's not very perfumey. It's not very perfumey, but you definitely get a nice, solid, refreshing, tropical vacation kind of vibe. But it's not heavily scented at all. And that's gonna bring me to another point. And also in here, it is 100%, you know, sulfate free, paraben free. It's made with natural and organic ingredients. So we have that there, and that is the shower gel. Then after the shower gel, I did go in with the nice hydrating, smoothing body lotion, and this smells amazing, you guys. And oh, it's very supple too. It's very supple, it's very soft, it's very hydrating. I do like it because I do not like a sticky, greasy lotion, and it doesn't do that at all. It's very hydrating. It doesn't sit on top of the skin. It kind of just penetrates into its skin. The texture is good. It absorbs into the skin very easily, not leaving you greasy or shiny or anything like that. Just a nice supple texture. It feels really luxurious. You know, she loves anything that feels luxurious. And so then after you were to use your body lotion, you can then go in with your Private Beach Body Oil. Now this was a fun part because she loves good oil. I love oiling my skin. Normally in the winter, in the cold months, I always use like coconut oils, or I'll always use, what's the other one that I really use? Like shea butters, but they're very thick because they need to be very hydrating because it's very cold and she's very dry. This one here is not oily. It's not like very heavy, anything like that. But even the scent to it is very light. I put it on my skin. I'm just giving myself like a whole day spa right here. Are you guys having fun? So we have a little bit that I'm gonna just put on my skin, and you'll be able to see that. I love the smell of this too. It just totally gave me like day spa vibes. You know what I mean? You see that there? And I love a little glisten, but it absorbs into the skin. It doesn't sit on top. It stays there. It absorbs into the skin, leaving the body feeling very luxurious, hydrated, moisturized, refreshed. All those good things that she likes. It just makes me feel like my body is glistening. You know, she loves glowing. So this is perfect for me. Another good thing about this product line is that it is for all skin types. Even if you have dry skin, even if you have sensitive skin, you should still be able to use it. It would be okay. Like I said, it's made from some really great ingredients, so you wouldn't have to worry about anything being, you know, too harsh or too much chemicals or anything like that. I put it on my skin. I used it twice. I haven't had any reactions, any breakouts, anything like that. And for me, that's a huge win-win because I have eczema, and sometimes I can use a lotion or a fragrance or, you know, a body oil or anything, and sometimes it will flare up, so I'll know that I can't use it. However, I've used it twice so far and I haven't experienced anything, so I wanted to share that with you as well. It's luminosity, it's rich, it's weightless, okay? It's everything that they're saying that it is. I haven't found it to be anything other. Like I said, it's weightless, it's non-greasy, it's silky feeling to the touch, very smooth. It's supposed to be age defying. Hello, helping with age and defiant and everything like that. She's all about looking younger, brighter, and it does have that to it. So that would be something too. It does have a brightening, does have a vitamin C in it too, leaving the skin feeling radiant, hydrated, and boost. So I do like that about it. Now let's get to my favorite part, okay? Those are great. I love the oil, I love the shower gel, I love the lotion. But this right here, I have to say, this is my favorite. I love a good misting spray anyway. But you guys, this is so good. I took a trip to Paris a couple of years ago, I know. 2017, give me 2.5. And the flight there was so long. I had my Mario Badescu, you know, the spray, the finishing sprays, or you can use it just to refresh yourself. You can use it as a makeup setting spray. During that flight, I had that with me, as well as face mask, just to keep my skin hydrated because it was so dry on the plane, especially being on there for that amount of time. So I would just spray my face. So as soon as I seen that this was in there, of course, you know, I just, look at this. Look how much I've used already. Look at this. Look how much I've used already. You guys, I have been spraying this stuff like crazy, okay? That's where it came. It was full when it came. I have been spraying this like crazy, but this is it here. So this has been like my favorite. I just keep spraying it, and of course, I cannot wait. I'm gonna spray some right now. It is really, really good. Let me tell you some of the stuff as I continue to spray it, you guys. It's the hydrating facial mist that's infused with a boost of antioxidants, and who does not want that on their skin? It's really good. It's very comforting. It's very calming. I'm going off of the smell that it gives me. I feel very comforted. I feel very calm. I am definitely, hello? Oh my gosh, I'm not supposed to be getting my hair wet. Girl, what are you doing? You know, if you're sitting at your computer all day, or you're traveling to the gym, or whatever the case may be, and you just need a quick, okay, here she goes again. And you just need a, and you just need a burst of like a good smell, some good energy, and you know that it's good for your skin too. You see that it does have in there vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C. We all know that that's great for promoting good, healthy, luxurious, radiant, hydrating skin. Okay, did I say everything that it's doing? So this is my first impression. Like I said, I've been playing with it. I really enjoy it. Like I said, I'm gonna leave everything for you in the description box below. Oh my God, wait a minute. Let me show you guys the big towel that you'll receive. How gorgeous, okay? And it's not, I'm not even doing it justice, you guys, because my lights are so bright, but wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Hold on a second. This big, huge, ginormous beach club towel. If you were thinking of going out, hello, and looking for your summer vacations, and you were thinking, I'm just trying to get all the summer beach vibes that I can get, this would be something great to pick up so that you can have that for your beach trips. If you're going on vacation, if you're just gonna stay at home and you have a pool in your area, this is really nice that you could just throw in your bag, take it to the pool, take it out to your pool, take it to the beach. I don't know if the beaches are open. I have to check back again. One day they were open, the next day they were closed. You guys, I cannot keep up, okay? But anyways, this would be a nice little pack of 4 that you would put into any luxurious day bag or day spa bag or anything like that, and just take it with you. This towel is everything. It is soft, it is weighted, it is luxurious, it feels fancy, and you know she loves all things fancy. Thank you again, House of Sillage, for everything. And another thing, you guys. Oh, wait, I have one more thing to say. I have so much information I'm trying to get out to you guys. Another thing, you are able to layer your fragrances with these products. It wouldn't disturb the piece, it wouldn't be too much, it wouldn't be in your face. The fragrance is so lightly in here that, you know, you can put your whispers of enlightenment, whispers of truth, you know, love is in the air, her favorite, whispers of truth, her other favorite, passion de l'amour. You can put all of those under your fragrances or on top of it. If you wanted to layer your fragrances, you can definitely put this down as a base and then spray your fragrance on top. It would not hurt it, it would not disturb the piece. It has such a nice scent profile to it that it wouldn't disturb it and make it, like, you know, clash with each other. They would actually really go with one another well. So if you wanted to use this too, to go ahead and layer under your fragrances, that would be another great way to utilize the product. Like I stated, I will have tons of information in the description box for you below. They did offer 2 new mystery boxes too. Oh my gosh, I want to do like a mystery box, you guys, but I just don't, you know, it's almost like blind buying again. It's like, what am I gonna get? I don't know what I'm gonna get, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I have so many of the other ones on my wish list now. One of you were telling me to try the whispers of, what did you say, whispers of admiration? Was it whispers of admiration? I think so. So now I like that one, and I'm like, I knew this was gonna happen to me, you know what I mean? I knew it was gonna like fall in love and just start going in on the cupcakes, in on everything. So that is it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. If you want a reply a lot quicker or faster, I should say, definitely DM me over on Instagram. I have my phone with me all the time, and I love chatting and communicating with you guys, and, you know, going back and forth with what we think about fragrances. So don't hesitate to leave any of your questions over there as well. My Instagram will also be in the description box, as well as I'm gonna place it here somewhere on the screen, and I will have tons of information for you guys over there. I'm still playing with it. I'm still rubbing my hands because everything is still so soft and I smell so good. And it's not even like a huge scent of a fragrance, but it just smells good, and I like it. It makes me think of vacation. We had a trip planned for Hawaii this year. We were gonna try and go to Hawaii. We were also thinking about going to Mexico, and you know, every single year, well, if you don't know, let me share with you, every single year I go to Vegas. It's just my place. I love it. The food is good. I love the win. I love the encore, and I just like thoroughly enjoy myself there, and we will not be going to any of those places this year. So I'll probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do, probably take my set here and head out, okay? Maybe I'll just light some candles and get some fruit and create a tropical vacation in my closet. But this is definitely gonna help. If you're looking for a good face mist and you're, one more time, and you're just that girl that just, ooh, just likes to sit out on a fancy vacation, take this out of your bag and just say, oh my God, darling, it was so hot, and you're just gonna spray it on and know that it's helping your skin at the same time. Hello, it's a win-win. So definitely look in the description box for more information. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, stay fabulous, but more importantly, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.